Hi teacher, this is my English project of materials used in the past versus the one used now. Where did the materials come from? In the past, houses were usually made of adobe, or mud in some places, even of wood. Nowadays, what we usually see are houses made of concrete, like this one that we can see right here. How are they made? Materials were taken from trees, mud, or other basic thing. Nowadays, some are taken equally, but in some cases they are also made like this that is doing this right here. Hi teacher, this is my English project of materials used in the past versus the one used now. Where do the materials come from? In the past, houses were usually made of adobe, or mud in some places, even of wood. Nowadays, what we usually see are houses made of concrete, like this one that we can see right here. How are they made? Materials were taken from trees, mud, or other basic thing. Nowadays, some are taken equally, but in some cases they're also made, like this. What is the environmental impact of the different materials used? Now, the use of materials has led to growing impacts on the environment, as large amounts of energy, greenhouse gas emissions, water, solid wastes, and other emissions to air and water. In the past wasn't like that. We can see here the environmental impact that this is causing. Where are they sourced? They were sourced manually by the man in the past, but now, because of the evolution of technology, we have machines that are designed for doing those things easily for us, like this machine that is right here. What size and style is the building? This depends a lot on the place that we're living, or culture that we are living. In some places of the world, they're still using the same shape or style or technique that they used in the past, so I would say that there's no answer for that. Are there any building code restrictions on the use of green material? Yes, are sustainable sites, energy efficiency, water efficiency, materials and resource use, indoor environmental quality, equity, and aesthetics. Sustainable sites causing little or no damage. In sustainable sites, they are trying to make aware of the damage that we're making to the earth, so they do damage, but just a little bit. They are trying to make the opposite. In the past, they weren't probably as much as they are nowadays, so they don't either. Water conservation, means of treating water, water filters. Nowadays, the means of treating water are coagulation, sedimentation, filtration, disinfectation, sludge drying, fluoridation, and pH correction. In the past, boiling and filtering water through charcoal were used along with exposing the water to sunlight and straining. Energy atmosphere, use of solar energy. Solar energy systems today can now use to power homes, cars, appliances, businesses, and cities. The earliest uses of solar energy included focusing the sun's energy through a magnifying glass to start fires for cooking things. Indoor environmental quality, air free of chemicals. Nowadays, because of the years throwing gases to the atmosphere, the air is not the same of the ones that we used to have in the past. In this picture, we can see the environmental impact that is causing to the environment. And now, the video of eco-friendly building materials.